Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Frigidaire Gallery Nugget ice maker not working in 2026. So Nugget ice makers work differently from the standard ones. They compress and shape the ice and not just freeze the cubes. So if any part of that process fails, water intake, freezing or exhaustion, the machine is going to stop working. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start by focusing on the flow and not just the level. Just make sure that the reservoir is filled correctly and seated properly. Then listen, you should hear water circulating inside. If not, the system may not be pulling the water in. So in that case, you need to simply remove or reset the tank and ensure that the intake area isn't blocked. Now, unlike the regular ice makers, the Nugget machines have an internal chute and compressor path. So if small ice particles get stuck, the system can jam or stop. So in order to fix that, you just have to simply open the lid and check the packed ice or slush buildup. Then simply clear them gently. Now, Nugget ice makers are more sensitive to buildup. So in that case, you need to run a full cycle using descaling solution or a vinegar, then rinse thoroughly. This clears the internal passages and also improve the performance. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.